Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a warble text in a smoke shape in Canva. So all you have to do right now is open canva.com, or if you have application installed in your PC or laptop, you can open it. So and create new design. I'm using a untitled design, a poster. So all you have to do is just click on the elements, and here you can search smoke factor, so you can see all on the graphic in the graphics a smoke factor. Here there is a pro one or the free one. You can choose as you wish that you want to design. For example, this is the pro one. I'm trying to use this, or if you want you can choose this one. This is very beautiful smoke. Here, so you can adjust your transparency, a border style, the color. For example, this one, or this one, and you can add letter here. So you can go to the elements, a you can use the letter. Sorry, just ordinary letter is enough. For example, sorry, the graphics, or just a simple text like this. So you can a position, make a position, adjust the position of the text. So this is more or less. You can advancing, you can combining, you can design, continue to design. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support the text button below. See you next